Meanwhile, a private organization is offering to help persons who may be thinking of ending their lives. This followed the reported increase in suicide cases in the country. George Bandola reports.
Cases of youth suicide in the Philippines goes up. Department of Health records an 8-year-old boy as the youngest suicide victim in the country. Most of the cases came from teenagers aged 15 to 19.
Yung bullying, isa yan. Changes ng mga values, no? Yung globalization at saka technology, malaking issue yan. Maraming mga ngayon at saka silirin ng mga bata na dati hindi nila silirin, no? And then it puts them into a state of confusion.
Per the Department of Health, 93 out of 100,000 people commit suicide, or 5 every day, according to the Asia Pacific Journal of Public Health. In its 2007 survey, DOH says 15 out of 900 youngsters tried to commit suicide.
Hangarin namin sa Department of Health na magkaroon ng ibang pamamaraan para nang sa ganun ng mga taong may ganitong problema ay hindi po mananahimik na lamang o mahihiga. Kaya nga ang aming battle cry sa araw na to, let's stop the silence, let's shun the shame.
People who suffers depression from poverty, relationship, aloneness, bullying, terminal disease, and bankruptcy are most likely to commit suicide. Most of them are men than women.
Kung napipick up na yung tao ay depressed, takot ho noon, minsan ba naiisipan mo magpakamatay? The most common thinking is, kung tatanungin ng isang depressed individual, yung ganung tanong, ay kinakatakutan natin na baka lalo siya magpakamatay. Alam niyo po, hindi. Kabaliktaran to.
It is for the reason that DOH supports the very first suicide hotline in the country offered by a private organization. The hotline offers help to those who think of committing suicide. For People's Television, George Bandola.